Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today we're going to learn how to add admin on LinkedIn page. You can change admin on LinkedIn page. So I will show you on this video on desktop, but if you're using iPhone or Android phone, you can follow the same step. So guys, let's start with the video. Here first you have to log in your LinkedIn profile. Then you have to go on your company page. So in here you can see, okay, so just go to the LinkedIn, and here you can see page you manage. I have three company page, which is demo page, and you can go from here also. Click on three dot, and here you can see your all company page. Just click on company page. Okay, so this is my company page and this is demo. So I want to add someone as an admin in LinkedIn page. You can add by giving when you add admin on LinkedIn page, you are giving access as a owner. Okay, so here you can see on right side the admin tools. In admin tools you can go to the manage admin. This is your super admin. You can add the content admin or analytic. Okay, so just type the person name or it will become like profile. You should find the profile name of person. Okay, so here if I select this, so what I want to add this super admin means main. Okay, so content admin means this role post and manage the content, and super admin means they can manage everything on the page. They can delete page, they can edit page, and admin only post manage the content. They can't delete your page. Okay, analyst means they also analyze the page. Okay, the viewers and others. So just click on super admin or content admin or just save it. Okay, so one notification will send, LinkedIn will send this person, and this person should accept the notification. After that, after accept the notification, you will see the another super admin will be add here, or you can add old super admin from here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.